Hi guys, it's Sandra with ShopAIP again. Now I am home for lunch. And normally what I do is I stay in my office and I try to live off of Wild Zora meat bars and cassava chips, which is clearly not the healthy way to AIP. So I'm trying to, not set myself on fire would be good. Start. I'm trying to come home for lunch. I live right down the street from the offices, so I'm lucky in that, especially since I'm terrible at food prepping. Trying to get more vegetables in. So right now I have asparagus tips with mushrooms, and I will admit that I did get the pre-cut stuff to help me save some time. Because again, the food prepping, not the best at that. As many of you know, I have 3 young children along with ShopAIP. And now it's summertime, so even less time to get things done. I, just lost some asparagus. I am not a great cook. My husband is the cook in the house. He would probably laugh when he finds out that I am even attempting to make these videos. But I kind of think it's important to show that even people that maybe are not amazing chefs and can't take beautiful pictures of all of their food and are not great at food prepping and trying to figure it all out. Now the problem in my office, we do not even have a microwave. The refrigerator is all just for products that do better when they stay refrigerated. So Hot Logic is about all I've got in my office for food. So I also have hot water. So oftentimes in my office, it's bone broth and leftover bacon from the morning. So I'm trying to do things a little bit differently right now. That was just a little bit of ginger. I've already put some olive oil in, and I wanted to try to make this a little more Asian flavored. So I thought I would give the red boat fish sauce just a little. I think a little goes a long way. I don't know. And some cocoa aminos by Big Tree Farms. Turn that down. And I've got some salt here, but I think I'll wait to see how salty it tastes before I add more salt. But this would be my second 2 cups of veggies for the day. And so then it would put me up to 4 cups of veggies for today. So I'm just going to let that cook until it gets to my desired amount of crispiness versus doneness. I don't want it too soggy, but I don't actually like to be too raw. That is my personal preference. I don't have a protein right now because this is sort of new of me measuring things out and trying to get more vegetables. I feel like I'm often too protein heavy in my diet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and eat this as my full meal. And then if I feel like I need to add some protein to it, I've always got some added bacon. I've got some frozen chicken in the fridge. I can just do up one for myself. Or what I can do is, what I'd like to do is have just my dinner to have the main protein. A little protein in the morning helps me to sustain my energy, and then maybe have the main protein at night, and trying to get during the day a bit heavier on the veggies than I'm typically accustomed to. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this is smelling really, really good. So I'm hoping it'll taste as good as it smells, and we'll see what happens at dinner tonight. Thanks so much. Bye.